Video of the boat with the canvas off. Getting into the boat, you see the high-low aft jump seats, along with a semi-sun pad, passenger back-to-back, driver's back-to-back, fiberglass floor. Boat does have snapping carpeting, VHF radio, AM/FM stereo, depth finder. Boat has 423 hours. Entrance to the cabin, along with a conveniently sink. Let's take a look at the engine. Merc Cruiser 5.7 liter LX 350 V8. Pretty clean. Going into the small cabin, you can see that there are steps integrated into the door, along with the walk-through bow to be able to get up onto the top deck. Pretty spacious cuddy cabin. Now for two people to sleep. You can see the snap-out carpeting located there. Filler cushion that fills in right here, as well as a potty underneath that cushion there.